Okay guys, the next item now is how to create intro and outro for your videos. Okay, maybe you're a YouTuber or you are creating video for a product or a movie trailer. You want to use intros, okay, to just give people a glimpse of what the video will look like, and outro just to say thank you or goodbye to your viewers. Okay, so I use Intro Maker. That's the name of the app. You can just go to Play Store and search for Intro Maker. There are a lot of applications you can use to create intros or outros, like Pixel Flow or Legend Animator. Okay, but I like using Intro Maker. Okay, there are already templates that you can use here. All you just have to do is come and pick a template that you want to use for your intro. Okay, so let's say, let me pick this one for instance. Then you just select the quality you want to use, and then it will download to your resources, and then you can start editing it. Okay, so as you can see, you already have timelines. All you just have to do is to edit the text. Okay, now let's play this and see. So this is how it is. You might decide to add music. If you just click plus and it will be added So as you can see, thanks, like, share, subscribe. So you can just edit this. Okay, you can change the text. Alright, you can decide to change the font. Okay, you can also change edit the template. Alright, edit the color, change the saturation and all of that. You can do all of that here. Okay, so let me just pick blue color for it. Alright, so let's see what happens. So let's say you are satisfied with what you have. You just export the video to your storage. Okay, so as simple as that, you have a very interesting intro video that you can use for your videos. Okay, you can also create intro videos with KineMaster, and I will show you how to do that in another lesson. Okay, but this is a very easy way to do it. Okay, just save as draft. If you want to create an outro, it's still the same process. Just come and look for a template you like. Okay, download it, and the same editing process you use, and then you just edit whatever you want to edit. Okay, so you can change anything on it. Okay, just like editing with Canva, it works with templates. You can change whatever we have here. Okay, so once you are done, you save, and then your video is ready. Okay, so now let me head over to KineMaster and show you how to create an intro on KineMaster. Okay.